Hi everyone, welcome back. We're here again as NestGen Xpress. Jason Sansuzi. I am here. I'm really excited. It's 2023 Commercial UAV Expo. We're at Caesars Forum. Again, this is a great venue. It's getting bigger and better every single year, and I'm really excited to have our first guest. We have DJI's own Kyle Miller.
Hello everyone. Nice to see you again, Jason. It's a pleasure every year.
Absolutely. This is so much fun. So we want this, I really want this to be, I want it to be informative. I want you to show off your goods, but I also want to have fun. So we're going to start with a little kind of a fun question. So let's just start with, so if the DJI Dock, which is, there's one, it's off camera. It's literally right here. And oh, by the way, there's like 30 of them in here. That's probably a wrong number, but there's so many. They're literally everywhere. If the DJI Dock were auditioning for reality TV,
Okay.
so what would their talent be? And I'm curious what the show would be called.
Yeah, I am too. Let's just say this is the first time I've ever been asked this question.
Good. I'm so happy with that.
The first answer that comes to mind is going to be reliability. I mean, if you're going reality TV show, we all look for a reliable person.
Yeah.
But I will say it's probably not going to be that entertaining because it's just going to be at work, doing its job, not really you don't have to do anything to keep it
So
going.
it's just a robot.
Essentially, it may not make it past season 1 as far as a TV show, but it's going to continue to work to season 50.
I like that is an amazing answer, sir. Okay, so let's dive into that. Let's dive in. Let's double click on the DJI Dock a little bit. So like what are some of like the unique applications of just DJI drones and specifically the Dock that the average consumer or even people here might not know about?
Sure. So when you look at the Dock, you got to highlight which drone's on the inside of it. So the Matrice 30T, when you look at the specs of that drone and the capabilities of the payload, overall, it's a very public safety and inspection focused drone. But we have seen plenty of users utilizing it for mapping and surveying purposes. If they're doing any within mining, being able to do high wall inspection as well as do some light mapping of that high wall.
Okay.
So it can be kind of a multi-purpose drone. It's not necessarily just going to be sitting on a substation and flying the same asset every time. We are seeing a lot of unique use cases. I'll highlight one more.
Okay.
The Alaska DOT project. I would sincerely highlight looking up that project. They were able to do some road inspection, get very remote areas. So Alaska DOT implementing, really excited about that.
That is very exciting. Yeah, we definitely will have to take a look, and definitely y'all go take a look. We'll make sure we have links in the comments. So let's see. Let's go another one. So let's go with how has DJI? So I mean, DJI's everywhere, right? So how has DJI sort of adapted to technology to meet the needs of various industries? We talked about a couple, but like, how are you guys staying on top of that?
Yeah, I would say it's got to be somewhat of an open ecosystem. So even though we make really fantastic drones, we make really fantastic payloads, not, boasting, but
Humble brag.
there are plenty of use cases out there, and we can't cover them all. And so being able to open up SDKs and APIs, so we've got Dock SDKs, so companies like Flight Now and FlytBase can implement their own UI. Or you've got Flight SDKs, so that other flight companies are going to be able to help capture the data. You've got payload SDKs, so we're seeing some insane payloads on the Matrice 350. That open integration platform basically just means that we can have that drone there, and whatever use case you need, we probably have a solution.
I like it. Adaptability, reliability. Yes. All right, we're gonna throw out more words. More coming at you. More coming at you. Okay, so I think this is a little bit of a softball, but like, what sets DJI apart from sort of the other drone manufacturers in terms of, let's throw out two more, versatility and adaptability?
Yes. Let me throw out one more on top of that.
Okay, let's go.
Scalability.
Ooh.
So when you look at the platform I've been the most excited about over the past 8 to 10 months, more geospatial focused, but the Mavic 3 Enterprise, the Mavic 3 Thermal, the price point that it is, the capabilities of the mapping technology, that being such a scalable drone, it really makes the companies be able to take a drone program from one drone, one pilot to multiple drones, multiple pilots capturing every single day.
Absolutely.
And so That Mavic 3 Enterprise can be in the back of the pickup truck, whether it's at a construction site, ag site, you name it.
Absolutely. I bring it everywhere.
Yeah,
Literally,
me too.
it's here. Yeah, no, I mean, I can't double click on that enough. It's like really, it's a monster. Like that is the drone that can do just about almost anything, anytime. And it's just, if you're standardizing an approach to do anything, it's just a great tool.
Yeah, for $3,500.
Right? Yes, silly pricing. Okay, so let's see if we can tease a little something out of you. Like, so give me something good. So,
I know where this is going.
are there any upcoming DJI technologies that you just want to give us a sneak peek of?
That is such a hard question.
Not allowed to say no, but you can vague it out a little bit. It's okay.
So I will say 2022 was a very impressive year for the DJI Enterprise team. We had a lot of really big releases. I would say towards the back half of this year, we've got a really strong following with a couple exciting projects that we're working on. So nothing that I can really tease at this point, but I would say by the end of 2023, we're going to have a really strong product lineup, much like we brought out in 2022.
Nice. Is there any thought on an even smaller enterprise drone?
There's always thought. We've always got thoughts and ideas. We're just trying to find what's the best fit for the market. And right now, that Mavic 3 Enterprise is super nice.
Agreed.
I know.
I tried.
Have you seen the Avata sitting at our booth?
I sure have.
It's a consumer product, but a lot of users within the enterprise space are using it. So
absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It's a great tool. Absolutely great tool. Awesome. Well, that wraps up interview number 1, NestGen Xpress. Kyle, man, thank you so much. I really appreciate you being the first out of the gate. Always excited to hear what DJI is doing. Obviously, we're repping DJI with the microphone.
Look at the mic.
Right. It's kind of what we do. You got to use the best if we're talking to the best. So here we are, NestGen Xpress. We'll catch you on the next episode. Bye now.